Over the past few weeks, we've seen 3 developments in automotive that reinforce the central thesis of our recently released Automotive Insight Report. This industry is not retreating. It is consolidating risk into fewer, larger, and more capital-intensive commitments at a time when volatility is rising. The striking down of the Trump-era tariffs is a reminder that trade policy remains very much fluid. Whether tariffs are reduced, reinstated under a different policy or different authority, or replaced with new measures, the underlying reality is policy instability. For an industry that allocates billions across North America and globally, that instability affects sourcing, it affects pricing, and long-term footprint strategy. Capital decisions require durability, and right now, durability is much harder to underwrite. Second, recent earnings. Stellantis reported significant losses, including EV-related write-downs. Other major automakers have trimmed EV spending or taking impairments as demand normalizes and pricing pressure intensifies. The transition to electrification is not reversing, but the economics are being recalibrated. This is exactly what we described in the report. The scale of investment remains enormous, but the margin for error is narrowing. Layer onto all of that geopolitical escalation that we saw in Iran this weekend. Automotive is exposed to energy prices, commodity inputs, and global logistics. Even modest sustained volatility in oil or shipping can ripple through cost structures and consumer demand. These are external risks layered on top of an already capital-heavy transformation. Our core conclusion stands. Automotive in North America remains foundational, but it is concentrating into larger, less flexible bets. Once those investments are committed, they are extremely difficult to unwind. In this environment, execution capacity, balance sheet strength, and strategic discipline become the limiting factors of growth. If you want the deeper data and structural analysis behind this, our latest Automotive Insights report lays it out in great detail.